Hey guys, what's happening? It's me, back again with another YouTube video. And today, I'm doing more building tricks. As you can see right behind me, I've got big animals. So yeah, there is many, well today I'm doing African animals because, I don't know, I wanted to. So first, we're on the ostrich. Uh, um, right here is the version with its head up, like out of the ground. But you can also make it, you put the two here, two things here, two fence posts up, and that's kind of looking like feet. Then you're gonna make a 3x3 square over those two fence posts. And yeah, then you're gonna make a second layer, but in the middle, 4 blocks, then 2 black blocks on each side in the front part, then 1 white block at the end. And you see this, that's the beak. Then you got buttons for eyes. Well, this time we're gonna send it right down there. And now it looks like it's looking straight down. Yeah, that one's the only one I forgot to make away. So now I made it with its head sticking down. Okay, next on the lion. I made a male lion here because that's the more knowable one. So that there you usually have wool as the main. You use, okay, 1 second. You use the buttons as a mouth and eyes, and you use a lever as a tail. So over here is the lions. There's a male one, and then female one's kind of the same. You use string under it though, instead, for the ears, under the ears, and it's the same thing just without the mane. Yeah. Next up is the hippopotamus. You use quartz stairs as teeth, and I use light gray concrete, but if you want, you can use light gray wool. Buttons for eyes and nostrils, and to add the mud, put brown carpet on top of it. Okay, so over here, you use a brown terracotta little pit. You just make a big one, however size and shape you want it. Then you make that here, and it looks like it's in its own mud pit. Okay, so after that is monkeys. These are very simple. It's just 2 brown wool, levers as arms. You can have it however way you want, and a lever facing down as a tail, and 2 buttons on the side. That's a monkey. Over here, I got some in a tree. There's one just on top of there. There's another one right there. And I left a space here so I could build one for you guys. I already did, but I'm going to do it again. This one's going to be excited and just holding up its arms like it's happy, like it's excited. And yeah, that's the monkeys. Next is the gorilla. I did not make another one because I don't really need to. So this one's on its knees, usually. And unlike the other ones, which have a straight belly, gotta, here, I'll show you. Gotta, do, boom, 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 boom. You can either use light gray concrete or light gray wool. I use white gray concrete for the 2, and then I use light gray wool for the elephant, which is later. Then boom, 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 and yeah. Wait. Oops, I did it wrong. Haha. I made it 1 high. I came up with these all by myself, so yeah. I'm not copying off of anybody. No siree. This is all my original ideas. Maybe some other people have come up with it, but I have not copied off of anybody. Okay, now for the leopard. The leopard is pretty easy. You just make a lioness, like over there, just to add brown spots. And I also use carpet on top of the head if it has carpet ears, so it doesn't look out of whack. So yes, it is just like a lioness, but with black spots. Then if you go to a tree and build it, it looks like it's hanging out in a tree. Yeah. Okay, last but not least is the elephant. This one is pretty easy to make. First over here it's like an elephant eating trees. I'm gonna make a tiny pond. Tiny pond, and then I'm gonna make an elephant drinking it. Let's count 5. Okay. Okay. So, elephants are a bit different from the other ones. Instead of a 3-block height of the head, it is only a 1-block height of the head. Because this part also, right here, where the trunk's gonna be. So, I like to add the ears like this. You can either put it in the front or the back. I think the back looks better. And put 2 brown carpet on the top of their ears just to add a little bit more detail. Then for it to drink, I can just, there we go. Then we'll put that in there. And then you add 2 eyes, and that's your elephant. For if you're doing an elephant just without it eating or drinking, you put a button at the end of its trunk. Okay, guys, so that is it with... One second. I hate when I accidentally do that. Okay, guys, that is it with my Minecraft YouTube video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!